According to the decision concluded in the high-level meeting today, the CBSE board exam this year will not be cancelled. Sources confirm that the exam will be most likely held in July like last year amidst COVID protocol. Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal will share more information about the format of the examination. The option of holding CBSE board exams in 19 major subjects was discussed and found support from many states. After the super cyclone Amphan wreaking havoc in West Bengal last year, the state along with Odisha prepares for another severe cyclone, Cyclone Yas. National Disaster Response Force Chief S.N. Pradhan asked authorities in the two states to adopt an over-preparing approach for the impending storm. He suggested to carry out evacuation even in the least vulnerable places. He said 12 teams have so far been stationed in West Bengal and more are on standby. Mr. Pradhan, however, expressed disappointment over the training and availability of State Disaster Response Force personnel for emergency situations. In a statement, the Delhi High Court has said that the absence of medical resources forced COVID-19 patients to fend for themselves. The public had to look for oxygen concentrators as an alternative to liquid medical oxygen and even procure the device from overseas amid short supply. The court made the observation and declared the centre's decision to impose integrated goods and services tax on oxygen concentrators to be unconstitutional. The verdict came on a plea by 85-year-old Gurcharan Singh, who was suffering from COVID-19. Health experts have informed that a woman can get vaccinated against COVID-19 anytime after childbirth. Specialists have stressed the need to permit the vaccination of even pregnant women to protect them from the infection. The government recently allowed vaccination for lactating mothers. A Niti Aayog member has stressed that there is no problem in breastfeeding after vaccination and it must not be halted for even an hour. Delhi police made a plea seeking 12 days of custodial remand of wrestler Sushil Kumar. They intended to interrogate him for his alleged involvement in the death of the 23-year-old wrestler Sagar Rana at Chhatrasal Stadium in Delhi. Today, the Rohini court reserved its judgment on Delhi police's plea. Sushil Kumar's lawyers opposed the plea in the court. Notably, Delhi police produced Sushil at the Rohini court after arresting the wrestler today morning. The special investigating team captured the absconding wrestler. They were allowed to interrogate Sushil for 30 minutes inside the courtroom.